shit.
All right.
How they do that?
It's not done yet. It's not done yet. The red, white, and blue thing coming in. That's how you. That's when you know it's about to be over. Red, white, and blue. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I think so. That's what my mother says.
Okay. It's starting to get chilly up here. Hurry up already.
Let's go.
Red, white.
Yeah. Yeah. They're really starting to come out now. It's been already 20 minutes.
Spectacular event here. Yes, I think it's coming to a close.
We're gonna let it loose at one point.
Right? Oh yeah, probably. Sort of ricocheting and everything.
Yeah.
Oh wow. It's like a forest. Palm trees in New York. Reminds me when I used to play with firecrackers.
Oh, whoa. It's coming out now.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
there
nice.
we go.
It's always the darkest just before they turn on the lights.
That's been 21 minutes. Just wondering how long my battery's gonna last. Show me the money. didn't see red and white. Red and blue.
Yeah. Sky's lighting up.
Yeah. Wow.
I think this might be the climax. You hear it coming to you? You hear that?
Right?
You hear?
Oh yeah, the whistlers.
They're letting it loose.
Yeah. The crowd over there is a little bit more lively than over here.
There's a lot of younger people over there.
Okay.
Hey, hey, here it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has to be. This is the
Oh, yeah.
loudest it's been.
Yeah. What are they doing over there?
Yes, here we
Wow.
go.
Oof, I felt that.
I can't even see Jersey no more. So much smoke.
Right? That had to be it. July 4th, 2009. That was the grand finale here at New York.
I hope that
31 Jan. I think. Oh, they're doing the music now or something? What is that? Oh, they're playing some music. If it could be, I think now they're doing the tribute to Henry Hudson for his anniversary, playing a river song, but I can't remember the name of it.
Okay, the river song is gonna have to wait. 'Cause I have to use the bathroom. I've been holding